In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Exness account to a new IB if you're thinking about moving under a different introducing broker. Because you want better support, tools, or conditions, I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish, with tips to keep everything smooth and compliant. First, identify the new IB you want to work with. Look for someone who is responsive, transparent, and aligned with your trading style. Ask about the services they provide, such as analytics, education, or rebate structures, and make sure they have a solid track record. Once you're confident, request their unique referral code or referral link and keep it handy. You'll need it shortly. Next, contact Exness support to confirm the proper procedure for your account. The fastest option is usually live chat, though email is also available. Let them know you want to move to a new IB and that you already have the referral code or link. Policies can vary depending on your region and account setup, so hearing the process directly from support ensures you follow the correct path and avoid delays. When support is ready, provide the details they request. Typically, you'll share your existing account number, the email address registered to your profile, your reason for the change, and the new IB's referral code. Be precise and consistent with your information so they can verify your account quickly. If you have the referral link, keep it accessible. A quick screenshot or copy of the code can help prevent typos. Now follow the instructions support provides. They may be able to link your current account to the new IB, or they may advise that you open a new account under the new IB. This decision depends on their internal rules and your account status. If they ask for any confirmations, respond promptly, and only communicate through official Exness channels to keep your account secure. If a new account is required, use the new IB's referral link to sign up. Make sure you're logged into the correct region and that the referral code is applied during registration. Keep in mind that balances, trading history, and open positions typically remain with your original account, so plan accordingly. After creating the new account, double-check that it shows correctly under the new partnership in your personal area, and keep a record of your communication with support for reference. That's it. By choosing the right IB, confirming the process with Exness, providing accurate details, and following their guidance, you'll complete the switch confidently and correctly.